Okay, do any mechanic knows what is this problem? Try to turn it on and it won't work. Okay. Nice. Try to do this. That's it. This is what happened. And then I put it on neutral. That's it. When I part, you can hear nothing. The lights go out right here in the clock, but not here. Night. Nothing happens.